A proud manufacturing heritage meets a promising future at Overland Industrial Park.
We are the heart of America's automotive industry, anchored with Jeep.
This is history here. This site really makes me feel good, recognizing that it's going to be re-industrialized.
This is Overland Industrial Park, an 80-acre site located at the epicenter of two major interstate highways and active rail lines. It is accurately described by some as the birthplace of Jeep. In 1910, John North Willys began constructing what would become known as the Toledo Jeep Parkway plant. By 1912, Willys Overland Motor Company was the second largest car maker in America. Only Ford was bigger. And in 1941, the first military Jeeps rolled off the line. Almost 500,000 would follow during World War II. In 2001, after numerous mergers, the facility was owned by Chrysler, and automotive production moved to the state-of-the-art Toledo Assembly Complex, sited a few miles north on I-75 at I-280. In 2010, the Toledo-Lucas County Port Authority officially acquired the historic Jeep Parkway property for $95,000.
What we've done here on this Jeep site is we've worked cooperatively amongst ODOT, amongst the Port Authority, the City of Toledo-Lucas County, and really put together a public-public partnership that's making this successful and making this possible. And I think it's a business model that is the future of our community.
In the summer of 2011, the Port Authority unveiled the master redevelopment plan for the site. And in 2013, ground was broken on Overland Industrial Park. Work has been completed on a new roadway that will ultimately connect with an improved I-75 interchange in 2015. More than $8 million was spent in making the site ready for vertical construction.
We're going to create jobs by using all the tools that we have available to us. The city has tools, we have tools, the county have tools, and by putting those tools together, we can now attract businesses here, and we are. And we can, and I think that's going to be the future.
In the spring of 2013, the Port Authority and the Harmon Family Development Corporation partnered to build a 100,000 square foot Class A industrial spec building at Overland.
It brings a lot to us. Number one, location is the key, but also with the infrastructure the port has put in, it will be ready to build. Visibility is good. We've got utilities, we've got good tax structure, and we're excited.
And in the fall of 2013, community leaders gathered to honor the past and welcome the future as the single remaining smokestack from the historic and iconic Willys Overland Jeep Parkway site was dedicated to the men and women who dedicated their working lives to Toledo's manufacturing legacy.
We're only as good as the shoulders we stand on. And as we build a new future here at this Overland Industrial Parkway site, we remember our past.
It's always been a sense of pride to work here in this piece of property. It's something that wasn't just the products that we built, but it's also just the commitment to excellence, that we do this and we do it the best.